This incident occurred in 1982 in a place called the Bighorn Crags, Frank Church Wilderness, central Idaho. I was a teenager at the time. We were getting ready for bed. My grandfather, best friend, and I, when we initially started out hearing a loud sound that I thought was an elk bugle. My grandfather disagreed. This occurred in the evening. The next morning, as we were preparing to pack into some of the local lakes, I discovered a single track in a marshy area near the trailhead. After seeing the print, me and my friend were just a tad scared, and we didn't bring it up again.